trim tool and an 8mm deep socket wrench. Start by locating the third brake light assembly. Using the trim tool to remove both plastic clips. Now you can remove the 8mm nut using the 8mm socket wrench. Repeat same steps on the other side. Loosen the light housing by applying pressure upwards. Remember to align both screws upon installation. Locate third brake light. Twist the bulb counterclockwise and remove the incandescent bulb. Install the LED light bulb and test it. Remember to align the 3 tabs upon installation. Twist clockwise to lock in the light assembly. Realign the 2 screws and reinstall the 8mm nut using the 8mm socket wrench. Repeat steps on the other side. Replace both plastic clips. ALA Lighting Advanced LED Lights for Automotive.